Today we will talk about Pauli exclusion principle of the lesson atomic structure. What means Pauli exclusion principle and what is the meaning of exclusion? I will tell you about it. We know about the quantum numbers and we studied about it in last videos. We know that quantum numbers are 4 in numbers, right? And each quantum number tells about the information of an electron, and we can say the set of 4 quantum numbers gives the complete information of electron in an atom. Up in this principle, what Pauli said in 1925, that if a set of 4 quantum number is given to an electron of an atom, it would be excluded for the rest of the electrons in the same atom. Means if I provide a set of 4 quantum numbers to an electron, same set can't be given to any other electron in the same atom. That's clear. It is the address. Just like in classroom, if a particular roll number is given to a student, same roll number will not be given to any other student. Same while we can say that if a 4 quantum number set is given to an electron of atom, same set can't be for the any other electron in case of same atom. This rule was given by the Pauli, and this is known as Pauli exclusion principle. Now you understand meaning of exclusion, because same set of quantum number can't be given to any other electron same atom में ही. Now it is the just summary whatever I tell you. In 1925, Wolfgang Pauli given principle known as Pauli exclusion principle. We know about quantum numbers, and there is a set of 4 quantum numbers for each electron in an atom. And according to the principle, a particular set of 4 quantum number is allotted to a particular electron, then same set of quantum number can't be for any other electron in same atom. Same thing I tell you. Now I will tell you about this by taking an example, and this is the main statement for this rule. No two electrons in an atom can have same set of 4 quantum numbers. How? Firstly, I give an example of helium. We know that helium has 2 electrons like this. If I say that these 2 electrons will be present in 1s orbital and its EC would be 1s2. We know that firstly electrons are filled in the first shell, and first shell has only one orbital 1s, and 1s orbital में 2 electron, and each orbital can have maximum 2 electrons. I can draw it like this also. 1s orbital has 2 electrons. Now I will apply all the 4 quantum numbers for these 2 electrons. Likewise, suppose these 2 electrons in the first shell, one is in this direction and another is in this direction. Okay, now first shell, it means n value 1 for both the electrons. N value will remain same. If n value is 1, you know L value will be 0. For both the electron, L value will again remain same. If L value is 0, M value will also be 0. It means again orbitals are same, and if M value 0, S value would be plus half. Let's suppose it is clockwise direction, another electron will have anti-clockwise direction, then its S value will be minus half. Now compare the set of the four quantum numbers. Is this set same? No. These 3 are same, but 4th one is different. We have to follow all the quantum numbers. I am saying that set of quantum number will be different. There are 2 electrons and both electrons have different set of 4 quantum numbers, and this is said by the Pauli. Again, I will tell you the same with taking the example of lithium. We know that lithium atomic number is 3 and its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. I tell you also ki how this electronic configuration in EC electronic configuration video you came to know about this type of configuration. First shell has 2 electron, second shell has 1 electron. I can draw it like this: 1s and 2s. 1s has 2 electron and 2s has 1 electron. Now there are 3 electrons. We will apply this rule for the 3 electrons in the same manner. Let's suppose first shell has 2 electrons, first one and second one like this, and second shell has only 1 electron like this. Okay, now I mention first, second and third. For the first electron, n value, because it is present in first shell, 1. For n value 1, l value 0, m value 0 and s value, let's suppose it is plus half. We consider as plus half. इसके लिए हम क्या कंसीडर कर लेते हैं? प्लस हाफ स्पिन. नाउ फॉर द सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन, इलेक्ट्रॉन नंबर 2. अगेन इट इज प्रेजेंट इन फर्स्ट शेल, n value 1, l value 0, m value 0 and s value, now it has opposite spin, it means s value minus half. Now come to the next electron, electron number 3. It is in second shell, n value 2, l value 0 and 1 both are possible for the n value 2, but this electron is present in s, that's why l value 0. m value, for s sub shell only one orbital is present, मैंने एक ही orbital draw किया है, that's why m value 0 and s value we consider it as plus half. Now look at the four set of all the 3 electrons, it is entirely different. That's I want to tell you that in an atom all the electrons have 4 different sets of the quantum numbers. This is still by the, this rule is given by the Pauli. It was the Pauli exclusion principle. Now we came to know the next rule, Hund's rule of the maximum multiplicity. What is this? Hund's rule के according in P, D and F subshell, electrons are filled in orbitals like in a manner when each orbital has 1 electron, only then pairing will take place. What I tell you, P, D and F subshell, when all the orbitals will have 1 electron, only then pairing will takes place. This is given by the Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Hund's rule ने क्या बोला? In p, d, f orbitals, electron pairing will not take place until each orbital contain 1 electron in subshell. We know that p subshell has 3 orbitals like this: px, py and pz. D subshell has 5 orbitals like this: dxy, dyz, dxz, dx square y square and dz square. And F subshell has 7 orbitals like this. Okay, this rule, what this rule said? This rule said that firstly electrons will fill 1, 1 and 1 in this manner, and then when all the orbitals will have 1 electron, only then pairing will takes place. Why? We know that suppose an orbital has 2 electrons. If 2 electrons are present near, repulsion will be high. If repulsion is high, energy will be high, and more repulsion means more instability. That's why electron remains far apart. It means they want to remain in different orbitals. Okay, what this rule said? Let's suppose I tell you there are, we know that px, py and pz like this. There are 3 orientation for the p subshell. Okay, if I said that these 2 electrons are present in same orbital like this, it means electrons are nearby, and near electron means electrons which have same charges. It means repulsion will be more, or iska reason higher the energy, higher the instability. If these electrons are in different orbitals, let's suppose one is in this and another in this. Now electrons are far apart. Far apart electrons, same charges will be far apart, means lesser energy, more stability. That's why this rule said that firstly all the orbitals will be firstly singly filled and then pairing will takes place. This is the rule, Hund's rule of multiplicity. Now I tell you the correct order of the filling. Let's suppose I am talking about P2. P2 means P subshell has 2 electrons. It means what? Superscript is superscript showing the number of electrons. P subshell has 2 electrons. And we know that P subshell has 3 orbitals. Like this. Px, Py and Pz. Now these 2 electrons can be filled in so many different ways. Likewise, these 2 electrons can be filled in same orbital. Again, these 2 electrons can be filled in this manner also, in the different orbitals. Now which is correct? Which is correct order? According to rule, this one is correct and this one is wrong. Okay. Now I give you one more example. P4. P4 can be filled again in different ways. I tell you how. Let's suppose I am saying that all the 4 electrons can be occupied in the 2 orbitals, and one more thing you must know, each orbital can have maximum only 2 electrons, not more than 2 electrons. You can't fill 4 the electrons like this in same orbital. Wrong. In each orbital, maximum 2 electrons can be filled. Maximum 2 electrons in each orbital. First thing, you have to remember this thing. Now what is the next? 1 2 3 4. 4 electrons can be filled in this manner also. And again, these 4 electrons can be filled like this also. 1 2 3 and 4 in such manner also. If the electrons are filled in such manner, it is correct and this one is wrong. Why wrong? Firstly, I filled 1 electron in each orbital. When all the orbitals are singly filled, then pairing takes place like this. Now I hope this rule will also clear to you. In same orbital, 2 electrons and 2 electrons, there are 2 electrons in 2 orbitals and there is more repulsion. More repulsion means more instability. That's why firstly the single fill electron and then pairing will take place. It was about the Hund's rule of multiplicity, and we will talk about the Aufbau rule in next video. Till then, goodbye.